I'm Erin and I'll be showing you how to make a modern timber Christmas tree. I'll show you how to make a stylish timber Christmas tree that will impress anyone over this festive season. To build a timber Christmas tree, you will need lengths of timber for the tree, a length of timber for the base, fairy lights, a clamp, handsaw, a pencil, a square, super glue, a measuring tape, sanding block and sandpaper, gloves and eye protection. For the first time since high school, I'll be using geometry to create an isosceles triangle. This will become the body for the tree. My length of timber is 1200mm long, so I'll be cutting two pieces at 450mm and the final at 300. Take your square and draw a straight line where you've marked. Now grab your clamp and your handsaw and cut the timber where you just marked. Now that I've cut my three pieces, I'm going to outline my Christmas tree. The sides of my Christmas tree are going to sit flush inside each other, so take a pencil and mark out where you need to cut. Rule your lines to make sure your cut will be straight. Using a handsaw, cut the angles that you've marked with your timber. Often when using a handsaw, you'll get some rough edges, so use a sanding block and sandpaper to smooth them away. My calculations were correct. It's a perfect isosceles triangle. Now that we've got all the pieces sanded, it's time to glue it together. I'm wearing gloves so I don't glue my fingers together. And hold together for a few minutes until it sticks. Grab your pencil and square and measure your base to 150mm. Use your handsaw to cut your base to size. Sand away the rough edges. Glue your base to your tree. Hold for a few minutes until it sticks. You can decorate your tree any way you like by painting or using other ornaments. You can even put a star on top. I'll be using battery-operated fairy lights to decorate my tree. These lights are great because they're strung on a wire, which makes decorating trees like this a breeze. What a simple, easy and affordable way to make a Christmas decoration that will last you years.